So let's learn how to subtract fractions. We'll start simple and then we'll build to more complex problems just as we did for addition. So let's start out with a simple problem for subtracting fractions. Let's say I have 7/8 of a pizza. I just got 7/8 of a pizza. Somebody stole some piece and I want to eat 2 pieces out of it. So I want to give 2/8 away. So what's the answer? So the way you can think about it is, um, here I'm going to draw my pizza. So here's my pizza. I'm going to draw it this way as a circle, and then I'm going to break it up into pieces. So this is going to be 1. So now I have 4 pieces, and now I'm going to get hopefully 8 pieces. Okay. So now what do I have? I have 7/8 of the pizza, which means I have so let's start out with 1/8, then I have 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, and 7/8. So these are the slices I have. I have 7/8 of the pizza. So now I want to give away 2/8. So what that means is I'm going to give away maybe this slice, and I'm going to give away this slice. So I've given away 2 slices. So how many slices are left? Let's count. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices left. So the answer is 7/8 minus 2/8. I can say that 7/8 minus 2/8 is equal to 5/8. And please note what I've actually done is that I had 7 slices, right? And I subtracted 2 slices to get to 5 slices. That's really the calculation. It turned out that, for example, again, the same idea that we were looking at 7/8 minus 2/8. We instead of the 8s, we could have had oranges. So we could have said 7 oranges minus 2 oranges is 5 oranges. Or 7 apples minus 2 apples is 5 apples. Similar to 7/8 minus 2/8 is 5/8. Now let's look at another problem, like maybe let's look at 1 whole minus 3/10. That's an interesting problem to worry about. So let's think about it. So now I want to figure out what the answer is. So I want to figure out what is the answer to this question. So now here's a whole bar of chocolate. I in general like to draw these bars instead of pies. It just makes my life a bit easier. So here's a whole bar of chocolate, and I'm going to break it up into 10 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this piece is getting to be a bit too large. Please remember that the pieces are equal. So I have 10 equal pieces. That's 1 whole. So this is 1 whole, which is equal to 10 pieces. Okay. And now I'm going to give away, so this is 1 whole, and I'm going to give away 3 out of those pieces. So here's, I gave away 1 piece, I gave away the second piece, and now I give away the third piece. So I've given away 3 pieces. So how many pieces am I left with? Well, please note that I had divided my problem into 10 pieces, and the reason why I broke it up into 10 pieces was because I wanted to eat 3 out of 10 pieces. So that's why I took my whole and broke it up into 10 pieces. And now I can just simply count. So let's just count. I'm going to be left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. And really so the answer will be equal to 1 minus 3/10. The answer will be 7/10. And the calculation that I really did was, it was 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. That's the real calculation that we did, because it was just 10 pieces out of 10 pieces. So you can think of it as a problem that I had 10 out of 10 pieces initially, and then I gave away 3 pieces. So that means I'm going to be left with 7 pieces.